Hey guys, so we're super excited to have Pim over from Netherlands, from Holland. He is the sales representative for ROM. And here today we have the e-EcoNomic. We're demoing the e-EcoNomic, 150 bar, 100 litres a minute. We're currently doing some demonstrations down here in Melbourne this week, and next week we're going to be up in Sydney. So give us a buzz, and we still have some free spots available. So yeah, we're just going to do a quick demo here. I'm going to turn it on, and then Pim is going to be obviously just holding it back for a little bit of strain. But yeah, we've got a 600 litre water tank at the back, 150 bar, 100 litres a minute. It comes with an accessory box with a few nozzles, 150 year anniversary. Yeah, give us a buzz for some more information.